In this video, I will be showing you how to properly create an IFTA report. Just keep in mind that whatever quarter you were trying to generate an IFTA report for, you must have had loads during that quarter. To start off, you will want to go over to the Accounting tab and go down to IFTA. Once you are here, your IFTA manager will pop up, and here you will have certain options like State Authority. Once we go here, you will see all of the states that your company runs, and here in the drop-down menu, if you have different companies in the software, you can go between one another. In your IFTA manager, you can also check IFTA rates. Going up to the top left and selecting IFTA rates, this table will pop up. All of these rates are according to the International Fuel Tax Association. And if you go to the top right side of the table, you will have a drop-down menu, and you can select different quarters of different years. And finally, to create an IFTA report, you will go up to the top left and click on the Add button. Once you are here, it will ask you what company you would like to generate a report for. In this case, we will be using ABC Transport, and what quarter you would like to generate a report for. In this case, we will be using quarter 3 of 2020. Once we select that, we can go over to the green settings icon and generate. Once your table pops up, you will be able to see here all of the reports, and once you see that everything is good, you can save. Once you have generated that report, you will see here by quarter that you have generated the quarter 3 2020 report. Once you see that there, if you remembered any mistakes that you had made, you can simply go over to the pencil icon and edit. As you can see, the report comes back up, and here is where you can make any changes, and once you're all done with that, you can simply save again. Now that everything looks good on your IFTA report, it's time to print. To do that, you will want to make sure that you select the exact report that you have just made and go over to the printer icon. Once we click on that, a PDF file will appear. Once we navigate to our PDF file, we open it, and here is our IFTA Fuel Tax Report Supplement. This is your exact reports that you have generated, and now, from here, all that's left to do is create your check to pay your IFTA. Keep in mind that once you get familiar with this process and you get to know it, it won't take you more than 2 minutes and a few clicks to create your IFTA reports. This and many more features with Always Track.